Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete message on Google Chat. So if you want to delete a message in Google Chat, whether you send it by mistake or just want it gone, this tutorial will show you how you can delete messages on desktop or Google Chat desktop. So let's just get started. First, the truth, you can only delete your own messages and only in one-on-one chats or spaces. So if you're the admin or have permissions. So if you are in a group chat without admin rights, you might only be able to edit or hide messages, not fully delete them. And this is how you can delete a message on Google Chat. So what you need to do, you can just open your Gmail and go to the chat tabs in here and hover over your message, for example in this one right here, and next you can just go to the message that you want to delete, like this one for example, and then you can click on the three dots icon at the top of the message, and there will be these options to delete. Click on delete and you can just tap on delete again to confirm. If you don't see the delete options, your admin might restrict it, or it's a type of chat where deletions isn't allowed. So if you cannot delete the message, you can try editing the message instead. You can just long press or click on edit, or hide the conversation or thread from your view. And that's how you can delete messages in Google Chat fast and easy. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know if you want a guide on editing or hiding chat tags. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye!